Y'all, we getting ready to do right now a car reveal for Nick, one of the 4 Horsemen. Y'all have seen him before, and y'all seen his cool ride, but we finna do a reveal. He hasn't seen this bad boy yet, and we wanted to get in on the bottom floor and record his reaction, show you the car and everything. So y'all just hang tight.
Can be seen before it goes in the bubble, man.
Got it right here. Look, we got the bottom. We're gonna break the bottom. Boom!
Oh, I still gotta finalize.
Then it's gotta go into the bubble.
Then it'll go in the bubble.
All right, if y'all didn't know, there's Nick, one of the 4 Horsemen.
That's it.
And we're getting ready to see his new ride. He hasn't laid eyes on this bad boy since he gave it up a little while back.
Exactly.
A year ago today.
A year ago today. Wow, love it. Y'all breaking it down now. Getting it unchained. Oh, you don't walk in front of nobody?
No, you're good. I'm not doing it yet.
Okay.
I'm waiting until you uncover. It's ready.
The anticipation is killer. Like everybody waiting. Now see the 3 of the 4 Horsemen right here.
That's it.
Just chilling. To catch Nick's reaction.
We might need some tissue. We might start crying.
It's a boy.
The plate's already on. He's driving it home.
No, is that 6 feet plate wrong?
I guess.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, you're about to be the wrong one. Let's see. Oh, real chill's got the wrong plate.
But that's a fake one.
Not going anywhere. But he's gonna get the original one.
We got him a custom plate.
Custom plate,
God
y'all.
knows he spent a lot of money on this thing.
And you can see right there, no words needed.
6 feet.
You got a dime? Anybody have a dime in their pocket?
Hold on.
Anybody got a dime?
You got a dime bag?
Change. You got a dime in your pocket? Somebody's car. Is somebody in the car? Yes, I understand.
See it coming out now. Woo. Check it out. Goodness.
Make sure it clears the front. Oh, you're on it. It's touching? Yeah. Yeah. Lift the front.
The lip.
There's nothing in the fender over there.
Good.
It's gonna start it. It's not gonna roll back.
I can roll.
Yeah, it's,
Good. Should I lift the trailer?
It's good. It's good. It's good.
You're good.
It's good.
Someone grab the back.
oh, I get it. You watch.
Yeah, you.
Oh, hey, Nick, you don't need to unload. You need to look at it. Woo! Check it out.
Yes, sir.
No, it does not get any cleaner than that right there. Good grief. Nick, first thoughts, bruh.
Yours, homie.
First
I
thoughts.
gotta pinch myself, you know?
It ain't even real, man.
Not yet.
Gosh,
Not yet.
dog.
I think the last interview you did, we were getting it ready to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all listen to it.
Sideways over here. Go up. Sideways.
This is a sexy beast right here. Son, this is the new one.
This is Ford, built tough.
Yeah. Yo, check it out. GT 500. Yo, that is straight nasty right there. GT 500 motor, 93 Cobra. 93 Cobra. Whoa. About to trip and fall out here. But check it out. There's the info right there, y'all. 93 Mustang Cobra, real teal. A build for the ages. Let's take a look at the interior. Monogram seats. Check them seats out. I love that steering wheel. Leather wrapped. Oh my gosh, bruh. Bruh. Woo! My man, that is nice, man.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
So this gentleman does beautiful work.
Oh, yeah.
You guys see the work.
And this is a 1 year build?
1 year build.
Wow.
I can't believe it. Because everybody, all my friends have the builds and they all,
Yeah.
a couple of years, the nightmares.
Yes, and it's like 2, 3, 4 years. I think somebody was saying a year ago today.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Yep. A year ago today. And look at it. Full rotisserie, full, like every nut and bolt on this car was fully done.
Wow.
Yeah, Matt, excellent. MCM Motorsports, excellent work. Excellent.
Oh, heck yeah. I mean, the work speaks for itself right here, bro. I mean, for real. All the work speaks for itself. You know, check that out. He's telling everybody to step up to get smoked. Now, what you think, Joe?
Killed it. You want the guy to get into a little circle, something. Before going to bubble. Go in the bubble. Let's go. Let's see some circle. Go around the parking lot, man.
Dang it, man.
Something like that, man. Yeah, you gotta go right there next to Vinny's. You gotta bring it up front. I'm gonna bring it up front next to Vinny's. Let's see this thing. Come on. Come on, Poppy. Come on, Poppy. There's no cops here.
Oh.
See, maybe we can push it up there.
What's your thoughts, Carl?
It's killer. Looks good.
Oh, yeah.
Clean, straight. It looks like it came off the showroom floor.
Dude, it looks like it's off the showroom floor just like this, the way it's sitting. Excellent work. Benny, you feel the same way, bro?
Now we just hope he drives it. Yeah, we hope he drives it.
Man, yeah, I gotta stay on him. Now they're just hoping that he drives it.
Come on YouTube.
Are you gonna drive this car?
I am. But peer pressure is definitely real.
He's gonna drive this car.
Yes.
To the trailer.
We're gonna drive it to the trailer.
He might pull it to the show for a couple minutes. I'm trying to put it back in the trailer.
But yeah, you hear him right there. He's gonna be driving this bad boy, y'all.
Call from 631's gonna PPF it. Everything's gonna be PPF. We gotta let the paint cure. So, but yes,
Okay.
we'll drive the car.
Nice.
Part of the deal. We'll definitely drive.
Got
the
to, bro. You gotta enjoy this thing,
car.
man.
100%.
Got to.
100%.
Oh heck yeah.
Appreciate it, Jim. I really appreciate it.
Hey man, I'm glad I was here. When Matt told me he was gonna be, I said, please let me know. Cause I definitely want to be there for this. Yes, this is just amazing. One more once around real quick. Yo, straight up. Go down there in them comments, blow it up. Blow it up. Yo, let Nick know how this bad boy looks, man. 93 Cobra GT 500 engine in this bad boy. I mean, this thing is killer, y'all. Straight up killer. And he said he's gonna drive it. So, you know, you can't go wrong with that. You gotta put this thing in the wind and then just enjoy it. Man, I'll get back with y'all in a few.
Thank you. And good night. 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 And good night.